What's up, pretty birdies? Let's talk about our Uncaged eyeshadow primer. This primer will be your eyeshadow's best friend, helping it to last all day and night. Its blendable, lightweight, skin-smoothing formula will enhance shadows by making them vibrant and long-wearing. Thanks to the mineral-rich clay formula, excess oils are absorbed, delivering a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. Here you can see a swatch with primer and one without. Look at the difference in the pigments. This demo shows how our primer will increase the wear of your shadow drastically.